Most of us are looking for real, authentic, hands-on learning. Learning that is equal parts fun and challenging. You want to take on a project that pushes you, where you gain valuable skills and you come out feeling genuinely smarter. And you've created something you had to refine and troubleshoot. And you enjoyed yourself on this journey of education. Photobomb! Learning is inherently fun, if you give your students the right assignments, and if the students know that the teacher will show up with passion and enthusiasm. Click this arrow that drags it left and right. Yeah, here, no, leave them as it is. 1, 2, 3. Do the old drop-down thing down here. Click Create Sketch. Perfectly. And snaps together. But education is a two-way street.
And how it works is each frame, it will create an ellipse at the location of the mouse.
It fits in halfway, more than halfway.
See increments positive again.
Let's try that. All right, so.
Usually say the one you drop.
Y is greater than the height,
Yes.
or y is less than 0.
Good. Albert Einstein summed up education best when he said, "Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school." I have studied neuroscience, robotics, programming, physics, and medicine. And the most important thing I gained from all these fields is the ability to think. The real content behind everything I teach is helping students learn how to think. I want them to leave my classes having learned the ability to accomplish something extraordinary.